Hello, everybody. My name is Marco. I'm a parametric designer at CoveTool, and today I will do a demonstration of a working model with the Revit plugin. In this video, I want to cover how the Revit plugin works inside of your Revit model and how, as your project changes, the CoveTool plugin can keep up with these changes and automatically update. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So I've already opened up a Revit model. This is a generic office building. I use it a lot for a lot of the CoveTool demos and videos, and you've probably seen it before. So I'm just going to go ahead and go right into creating CoveTool views. Gonna go ahead, log in. I'll log in off screen. All right. And then I'll switch my Revit project to the project I have in CoveTool, which I think I've titled generic Revit model. So it's my last project I've created. And then I have the project open here in the second browser. So I'll just put that on the side for now. So now we can create our views. And then those views will appear in the project browser under the 3D views column. And each one of those views, if you click open, will have different building components such as floors, roofs, skylights, walls, and windows. And seen in the skylights view that there's no object that was filtered in this view, and that's because our project didn't have any skylights. So if your project doesn't have skylights, it's fine if this view results as empty, right? So this is what our project currently looks like, and we've had a lot of users come and ask us, does your plugin work with the working model? So as I'm continuing my project and as we get further from early stage and start drawing sets, DD, CD stages, will the change of my model be reflected in the CoveTool views so I don't have to keep repeating the steps to export my building geometry? And the answer is yes. And so you guys have already seen that we have these layers, and these layers are already ready, and you can go ahead and start exporting the geometry. So I'll quickly do that, and then I'm going to start making changes to the building and showing you guys how easy and quick the working model with CoveTool plugin processes. All right, so exported my building height. All right, we've exported all of our building's geometry. I can go back to the CoveTool browser, refresh my geometry page, and all of our area values have been updated. And now we have a recreated model that we'll use for energy simulations inside of our CoveTool project. Now it's time to change our model and kind of demonstrate what a working model will act like inside the CoveTool views and how easy it is. Just always be able to go into CoveTool and just see your building's performance. So one thing I wanted to try to do is basically take one of our walls, and instead of having it punched out windows on a cavity wall, I'm just gonna take this whole wall out, take out the windows, and convert the entire thing into a curtain wall. So let's go ahead and do that. First, I'm just gonna delete the wall and windows that are existing. And then I'm just gonna replace that with a curtain wall. Architectural. We're gonna search for a cavity wall or curtain wall. And then just draw it in. let's give this a bit of attributes so you guys can identify what building looks like. Let's just go mullions. And there's our cavity wall. I just a quick example just to show you guys. And then now we'll see the walls has appeared in all of the views. I'm gonna go ahead, close these views and recreate the Cove Tool view. All right. Let's go to add-ins, Cove Tool views. And there we go. We've recreated our project. It was just a change of the project. We deleted the Cove Tool views that were there, clicked refresh, and now the new views are accurately replicating our building change. And then we can just, once again, go into our different export categories, export our new building, and we'll see the changes in the geometry page inside Cove Tool. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'll export new floor. Okay. Don't think we need to do that. Okay. 2 walls. And windows. All right. All right, now we can jump back to our geometry page in Cove Tool, hit refresh, and we will see the geometry changes in our wall area and glazing area categories. All right, that's all we wanted to show for this video tutorial. Just wanted to demonstrate that you can have a working model and automation of the creation of Cove Tool views. Command basically always allows you to enter new building geometry and reflect your current building's design and allow it to be uploaded to Cove Tool. All right, thank you.